There's a setting in iOS 26 that lets you completely personalize your Mail app notifications, so you get alerts exactly the way you want them, with your preferred sounds, vibrations, and reminders. To set it up, open Settings and scroll down until you see Apps. From the list of apps, find and tap Mail. Under Allow Mail to Access, tap Notifications, and make sure Allow Notifications is switched on. If it's off, tap the switch to turn it on. Now, if you want to set or change the alert sound for all mail notifications, tap Sounds. Choose from the preset list or scroll down to Classic to pick from the older iPhone tones. You can also use any sound from your downloaded or purchased tones from the tone store. Tap any sound to preview it, and when you've found one you like, it's automatically selected. Next, go back to the main notifications menu and tap Customize Notifications. Here you can adjust badge counts for unread messages in the primary inbox and all unread messages. You can also set or change badges for your saved email accounts. Next, tap Remind Me. Then turn on alerts and badges if you want reminders for new messages you haven't opened yet. You can also tap Sounds here to choose tones from the presets, classics, or even purchase tones from the tone store. If you want to customize alerts just for your primary inbox, return to the Customize Notifications screen and tap Primary Inbox. Turn on alerts to unlock the Sounds option, then pick your preferred tone. For an extra touch, tap Haptics and choose from standard vibrations, or create your own pattern by tapping Create New Vibration. Just follow the prompts, name your vibration, and save it. It will now be used for your inbox alerts. Once you're happy with your settings, tap Save. And that's it. You now have mail notifications that work exactly the way you want. You can revisit these settings anytime to tweak or fine-tune them. If this guide helps you stay on top of your important emails, hit like and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips, and I'll see you in the next one.